Hello, beautiful friends. This is Lynette, and if you're new to the channel, I garden here in Central Ohio, in Circleville, Ohio, and welcome to Garden 1842 and Home, and welcome to my pink bubblegum garden. Come with us and enjoy the tour today. Let's start at a different place this time. And let's start here at our carriage house, built in 1842. And when you come around the corner, I love this view of our garden. In my pots, I just have English ivy and impatiens. And then this here is a limelight hydrangea. It's just so pretty, you guys. I consider this my lady statue garden, which is mainly all perennials. I do have a few little annuals on the edges. And this is the limelight here. And then this here is a pink diamond hydrangea standard. And then we have garden phlox, yellow coneflower. Those are my foxgloves. I'm letting them go to seed. I got a couple coleus back there, a marigold, some columbine. This right here is a veronica. Have a little basket of bubblegum petunias here. And if you look closely, back there is the lady statue. She's kind of tucked in tight this year. And then the vine going around her is a sweet autumn clematis. In front of the lady statue, we have agastache. This is the Blue Fortune agastache. That there, the really green, is a Montauk daisy. And this here is an autumn joy sedum. Have a pink knockout rose there. And then another yellow coneflower. And then some sunflowers. Another autumn joy sedum. Some more petunias, bubblegum Perennial petunias. I popped in some zinnias back there and a Dusty Miller. I have veronica and salvias going along the edge. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of loving the veronica better than the salvia. I feel like the shoots stay bluer longer. This is a sky pencil holly. Behind the sky pencil holly is a endless summer hydrangea. I got one little bloom back there. And behind the hydrangea is a 9-bark. And then this beautiful tree here is called a white phantom hydrangea standard. I'm really loving this agastache this year. It is just so pretty, you guys. It's called Perennial's Angel Face Wedgwood Pink. And then I put a little annual salvia behind it. And I think the mix of the purple and the pinks are so pretty. Another autumn joy sedum. Got a really pretty hollyhock that comes back for me every year. And then I just have some different flowers over there on my tree bench. And then past the tree bench there, we have a shade garden. There's a incredible hydrangea in the very back there. I have a mirror in my shade garden, and you can't see it because I've been really neglecting this area, but there's a climbing hydrangea in the back there. And I have hostas. This here is a Annabelle hydrangea. I just popped in a few impatiens, had some left over. This here is a rose mallow, the purple flower. We got some more autumn joycetum. And then this is a honeysuckle here. It's called Gold Flame Honeysuckle. This is my boxwood round hedge garden. On top of the stand, I have a planter with a boxwood on it. And these are winter gem boxwoods. And I also have some Russian sage in the middle. This takes us to my arch, and I'm having a really hard time because it's under a tree, but I do have a Happy Jack clematis, and it has given me a few more blooms. It fleshed out really pretty at the beginning of the season. And then I just put a emerald green arborvitae, some impatiens, and some asparagus fern there. This here is a eastern redbud tree. It is beautiful in the spring. This takes us over here to our fountain garden. I have 6 incredible hydrangeas around the fountain. And then I have a rectangle of dense informis yews going around it. Now I moved over to the kind of the side backyard, and this is a row of viburnums, and then I have another incredible. I have an endless summer hydrangea. I have English ivy going here. And then I have Boston ivy going up. And the painters, we're getting our trim painted, so they sanded down the shutters really good. And I love this view of the garden. Come through this way on our side backyard, and these are my urns, and I have a green mountain boxwood. I have coleus, bubblegum petunia, some other little petunias. I have some Dusty Miller sitting on some very old antique pedestals. I just love this little seating area here. And when you see my pots with the bubble gum, I only put 1 bubble gum in each, like that's one bubble gum. And so what I'm learning is that if you have a bigger pot, the bubblegum petunia does way better. If you have a smaller pot, they don't do as great. I got some pots here with some bubble gum. I have one here and one way down there on the end. And then this is a magnolia tree here. And this takes us around the corner here to my other perennial. It's more of a native garden because we have like black-eyed Susans, Shasta daisies, you know, things that are here in the United States. We are getting our trim painted, and this trim color here is called Slumber from Sherwin-Williams. And there'll be a video. You'll have to hit that subscribe button because there'll be a video showing every step of the way for the paint color and painting. That leads us here to this bed here, which is a perennial bed. The little tree you see there is a dwarf Korean lilac, and I am just limbing it up to be a tree. So I'm just cutting off any little shoots that come out there. That's some leftover irises there. I got a coleus, another bubblegum petunia. On the back is a butterfly bush and a couple roses there. And then on that back wall there, we have another butterfly bush and another clay pot full of bubblegum petunias. Okay, so this takes us here to the lace-capped hydrangea. I got another little pink knockout rose there. Some annual salvias. This is Ansonia Blue Star, and it's already bloomed for me. And the yellow Coreopsis or chickweed is right next to it. Above it is a David Austin Munstead Wood rose. Got some sunflowers going there. This little wispy flower is a Gara. Got some more phlox, but it's already bloomed, but you know, phlox keeps blooming for you, so I just pull off the old blooms, and I'll try to put a picture up when it was blooming really pretty. But beside the phlox is another limelight hydrangea. Got a lilac bush there, and behind the lilac bush is a yellow coneflower. Along the edges, I just have, that's a spent allium there. I have just some salvia, some Dusty Miller, some just little annuals around the edge. And then it was so funny, we got a rainstorm, and this is Blue Fortune Agastache here, and the whole plant decided to fall to the ground. So when I came out to rope it up, you can see the rope right there. I did the best I could, but I'm sort of loving how now everything's kind of like pointed toward the statue. I just think it looks pretty. And then the beautiful, beautiful pink crepe myrtle shining there in the back. I'm so thankful because my crepe myrtle died all the way to the ground this year, and it started to flush back from the trunk. So maybe I'll put a picture of last year's up to show you how gorgeous it is, but I'm just thankful that I have it. And we have another sunflower, some more phlox there. And then this is a new tree for me here. It is a dappled willow tree called Hakuri Nishiko. And it should give me some pink and like white blooms and some really pretty feathery kind of like flowers. Got some more bubble gum on a stand here. Some aster, a geranium, and some more Dusty Miller there. and a beautiful, beautiful coneflower. And then I walked around the corner, and this takes us to the back of that same bed we were just at. I have in front of the crepe myrtle, I have Monarda bee balm. And this is normally my Shasta daisy area, and I only got a few come back this year for me. So I've been sprinkling some seed. Got some black-eyed Susans there. That is a Dream Girls Garden Phlox there. And that's the lace-capped hydrangea. The row of bushes here are birding bushes. And I wanted to show you how pretty my pots on my new antique stand is looking. Got petunias, some potato vine, a marigold, a little dahlia, some vinca, some coleus, geranium, Dusty Miller, Dicendra grass up there with some more petunias. And if you didn't hit that subscribe button, you need to hit it, because soon there's going to be something different in this space that I'm really excited about. I'll take you and give you a little sneak peek of our front yard. We just did a front yard garden tour, but I want to go up there and show you how beautiful it's looking too. Okay, this is the front of our home here. And for a full video, go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed our garden tour of our backyard, end of July, beginning of August, and I hope that you love our channel and love this old home, and will hit that subscribe button for us. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you guys watching, and thank you. And go find a flower today, maybe a pink one, and go find your passion.